Hi, my name's Vicki, and this is Maggie. She's a little over 6 months old. And we've had some issues with Maggie, so we got in touch with Neil, and he came to our house, and we've had good results with what he told us to do. Of course, Maggie is young, and she has a lot of energy, of course, but like any pup, they have to be obedient and willing to learn, and she is willing to learn, which really helps myself and my husband. She really is a really smart dog. She loves people, of course, and she's a licker. She likes to lick. But other than that, Neil has gave us some ideas what we should do with her, and we've done it, and it's worked. She had a hard time getting to walk on her leash, and now she will walk on her leash with no problems. And she had problems. She wanted to run to everyone she met. We've used a couple of commands for her, and it's worked out well. So we really appreciate what Neil did for us. So if you have a problem, call Neil, and he'll correct it for you.